Okay, so running into a real problem here. Um, so I'm still getting these errors with the number thing with this D type thing. So then what I did is I came over here and I created this simple test where I create a simple card array. Then I do this. All of these are floats. I've got my array. Then I have the D type names. Then I run it through the Cartesian. Then I copy all this. I have the D type names, literal, unroll, and all this other stuff inside of here. And then I return, and then I do two lists, and then it works. How is that possible? Hmm. So I guess, does that mean that there's something wrong with, there's no way that there could be something wrong with this. Do I copy this whole thing here? And then, well, I think what I do is this. So here, I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how many there are. We'll try to experiment with this. What the fuck is this? How does this work? Why does this work now? What? Why does this work? What? Why the hell does this work now? What? 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 These are just arrays. These are all just arrays. One, one, two, three, four. I literally copied this whole entire thing and it works. Oh no, what happened? No, 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 no. No, don't say the book. Oh, God damn it! Fuck up the bookmarks. So that's working. So now, let's try it with this. What? How? 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 How is that possible? I literally just copy pasted. What do you mean? I literally copy pasted. What is this? This is weird. How the hell does it work here? But then I go into here and it does not work. Nothing but raised. It's the same fucking thing. It's the same thing. How is this possible? It's the same thing. How is that possible? It's literally the same thing. Wait a minute, what? What? How am I not using... Oh, I am. How is this possible? So confused. I don't know what to do. How is this possible? How is this possible? How is this possible? Understand how this is possible. How is this possible? I have no clue. So I guess I just need to move on and work on the selling side of things because this makes absolutely no sense. What is this? How do I have the same exact code? The same exact code. Wait, this is a list. I'm sitting at a list, not an array. How is this? Understand. How is this possible? How is this possible? These are the same exact things. In the array? But that doesn't even matter because I'm not even calling that. I'm calling this. Moving on. All right, so right now I'm working on the stop loss part. And so now, I mean, this the sell. And so here I have to painstakingly go through and figure out where I need to add pluses and minuses. So like this, if I'm doing a temporary stop loss, it needs to be price plus this, and then the possible loss, and then the size value. Uh, oh, the problem is that I think I deleted all this stuff because over here, yeah, this is this is the size value. Did I? Wait a minute. I don't. Is it? Is it in here? I don't even know what I'm looking for. What am I looking for right now? Order checker. I don't think I even did anything for shorts. if it's a long or a short entry, is entry stop loss price. I didn't even do I didn't even do anything for short. And I don't even know what this is. And I think I have to go into this, go to my math. And so what I actually need to do is go down here, create a new folder called math. Bring it out. And then put that stuff in here. All right. So what is this? Solving for, so now I have to, yeah, I gotta figure this out. Gotta figure this out. Okay, so we figured out the math here. If we have a short position and our temporary price is going to be 1% above our entry price, which is 1,000. The problem that I was running into is that the possible loss is positive 10. And so I have to put this negative sign here because we're doing loss. Because this would actually be the possible profit. If we did initial size times stop loss percent new. So we have to add this negative here. And then we have 1 minus temporary stop loss price divided by the price. That's just 1%. That's just the stop loss percent. Isn't it? Oh, wait, what? That's... Okay. I lied. So then you have your fee, then you have your stop loss price times your fee divided by the price. And then you end up getting the correct answer right here. And so it's making me wonder with the long. Did I delete the long? For some reason, oh, no. So solving for long, take profit price. Solving for take profit price. Solving for long, take profit price. I did this twice. Anyways, I'm gonna have to update all this stuff. Yeah, so here we have this. USD size is 806. Realize P&L. What's this? Good. What? Okay, there we go. Yeah, because even here, we have this right here. Be negative. This is -1. So I guess it's the same thing, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, I have that here, so I need to... Anyways, so this works for short. And I'm just wondering, like, what is the only difference between this and the long? But anyways, it works. Now I gotta put it over in the thing. All right, so I changed up this to reflect this. And so now I've got to do this. So we'll fix that. So I've noticed now that the only difference between longing and shorting is that the -1 goes here for long and the -1 goes here for short. And that's because all you do is you just switch from this to this, and then you switch this to this. So you see here, literally the only thing that switches is these, this, and this. And then here, this, this, and this. And you end up getting the same information. So, I think what I want to do is copy this whole thing and paste it into the long. Let's see if we can go over here to the py functions. And what did we copy? Think of this whole thing like this. So now we'll just do -1. And here we will just do this. There we go. All right. So we have the math short. We've got this. Got the math long. Got this. Okay. So now. Oh, whoops! I have to make sure that I change this. Wait a minute, something is not right here. Yes, so here, I have to make sure I change this to plus, and then I have to make sure that I change this to minus. This is minus, because our stop loss has to be below, and over here, this has to be plus, because our stop loss has to be above. So now we will continue to move forward. The position new does not equal 0. Average entry equals size plus position new divided by size plus new position. What? I think that's fine. I think this is where we have a problem. Stop loss price is average entry plus this. And this will be average entry plus. Because we need it to be above the percents. Coin size. P&L no fees. Coin size times. This is where the P&L. So if our P&L, if we were to have, wait a minute. So our P&L for our short is, I mean, I've already done this. It's coin size coin size times your average entry versus your stop loss price. Coin size times your average entry minus your stop loss price. So if I had, my average entry was 1,000 and my temporary price was 990, then I would make money. Okay. So then the open fees, that's fine, that's fine. Possible loss. What? I'm calculating this again? Well, I only need to calculate it once. But I calculated it up here already. Well, that's how I have to get the size. So here, oh fuck, this is where oh man, leverage. All right, so now we have to start to understand leverage. Fuck. So here, the leverage new is the, well, I have to go over to math here. So I guess we already have it. Solving for short leverage is your average entry divided by your stop loss price plus stop loss price times this minus your average entry plus your average entry times your MMR. So yeah, so this is fine. So over here, the only thing that we have to change is it's not minus average. Is that the way it is for longs? Yeah, it is. Okay. So here, got this, then we change this to this, then we change average entry to plus, and we got it. Okay, and now here, initial margin. Okay, possible bankruptcy fee. Size value times leverage new minus 1 divided by leverage new. God damn it, this is so disgusting. There we go. It looks better. More clean. All this stuff looks so disgusting. I feel like yeah, whatever. Float int. Okay. Okay, we got ourselves a little to do. So that's good. I guess we already have the link here. Order cost. So we have to read this short position. Order cost is initial margin. Where's the difference? Initial margin plus open plus whatever. Initial margin plus open plus whatever. Initial margin is this. Fee to open, taker fee. So bankruptcy for. So the bankruptcy is that this is +1, this is -1. Okay, so that means that down here, all we have to do is just change this to plus. And then we have initial margin plus fee to open plus possible bankruptcy fee. So the order price times leverage +1 divided by leverage new times static fee percent. Is that true? Fee to open. Why don't I use fee to close? I think it's because I'm not actually closing. Oh, the fee to close position is the bankruptcy price. Okay. I remember now. So it's just this times the bankruptcy price times the taker fee, and that's what we're doing over here. Okay, yeah, they just did a terrible job with their documentation. So this is fine. Else liquidation formula. So this is all fine. New liquidation. All right. So we have our liquidation over here. Liquidation price equals entry price times 1 plus initial margin rate minus maintenance margin rate. So actually it's just this plus this minus. That's literally the only thing that changes. Okay. This is the fucking like 50th time that I've done this. Okay, so now here, solving for short take profit price. So here we have negative, okay? And it does work here. If we look, we've got our P, which is my P&L is going to be $2. What? What does this even mean? T is take profit price. Okay, this all makes sense. So then now we have T this P minus S plus S times E over S plus S times. How does that even make any sense? Oh, if I want to make $10 with a position size of 1,000 and my average entry is this, then I need to go to... Wait, if I wanted to make $2, I want to make $1. Okay, so that makes sense. Because 990 is the 990 is 1%, right? So if I want to make $1, which is basically a 1% change from 1,000, then that means that I would need to go, if you're going to include the fees and all that stuff, I would need to go 988 in order to make $1 because we're including the fees. So that makes sense. And so that means over here we have to do profit minus size value. Wait, what? Oh, I have this. Oh, I have this. Let's just do it the way I have it written here. Let's. Wait, what? Okay, so here we have it written negative price minus S plus S times F. Let's write it that way. So we have profit minus, I should say possible profit, whatever. Well, whatever. So we have profit minus size value plus size value times your fees. Then we're going to multiply that by your average entry, divide that by your size value plus the size value times the fees. I feel like I want to go and clean all this mess up because this looks disgusting. There's got to be something in here where if I have E times 1 divided by this. So if I multiplied E by PE minus S, if I have this, I just have S ST over E, STF over E. Let me just think about this for a little bit. All right, we are moving on from this. It gets pretty complicated, but this works. I don't think that there's any way to kind of like simplify this because I did this times this, and this times this, and this times this, and blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it ends up, this just looks disgusting. But I think putting it in the code also looks disgusting. So it doesn't matter, it works. So the TP percent is your average entry new minus this divided by average entry. There. Okay. TP prices. Else, if this is not nan, average entry minus this. Why the hell are there parentheses there? So it would be if this is finite and this is finite. Oh, if there's a risk to reward, then do this. Else, if this, so yeah, I guess whatever, this works. So average entry minus this because we want to go down. So if our average entry is 1,000, we want to subtract $10 from 1,000 to put our take profit at $9.90. Okay. So, oh, we're done? Okay. Makes sense. So all of this seems to be working. Makes sense. So here, percent change trade. So the order result price minus average entry. So this needs to change. Position new. Okay. Position change. Position new. So this is this minus this divided by this. Okay. Coin size. We've done this a million times already. Fee to open. What is this fee percent? Oh. Fee to close. So the P&L is this. We've done this so many times. I feel like it needs to just be a thing. Okay, new cash borrowed, available balance. So all this stuff should work. We didn't have to do much for the short increase. I mean, for this. All we have to do is just this. We just change this. And that's the realized P&L. And that's it. Other than that, the rest of this stuff makes sense up here. Oh, so let's see the take profit prices for shorts. So we have the profit minus the size value plus the size value times the fees times the average entry new divided by the size plus the size value times the fees. I don't know, man. Just looking at this little section right here divided by this section right here, I feel like this should cancel out because it's the same exact thing. Somehow, some way that this should cancel each other out somehow. Right? It has to. This and this. Let me think about that. Actually, I'm not going to think about it. We'll just move on. So I guess now I just test the short. Is that all I'm going to do now? As I just change this to short? Oh no. Now that this is done, I now have to go into this and add in all the stuff about shorting. So the process stops can be deleted, I guess. We're not using it. Are we using it? Better not be. Or not. So, I'm not even recording the right screen. So here, we need to do this. Oops. If this is a short entry, do short entries. We'll also have to do this. This. Here. Let's say if this is short quotation. Short decrease. All right. So we've added that in the process order in B. Why is this not? Oh, wait a minute. What the oh. Okay. So I messed this up, obviously. Obviously, I messed this up. Um, why did I call it these things? Wait, long increase? What? So this by function actually be long functions. What? What the hell is going on here? What in the hell is going on? What in the hell is going on? Boy, oh 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 boy. So here we don't have... Oh, shit. Oh, no. I have to copy and paste all of this stuff. Oh, no. If this is a short... Oh no, regular stop loss. If the low price, oh no, I feel like this is just high, 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 low. So if the price is coming down, if the high price, let's say, if the high price is 1,000, then the stop loss price is 990. Or no, wait, it has to be the high, yeah, because we're going up for the stop loss. So if the high price is this, and our stop loss is 1010, then that means we did not hit it. If the high price is this, and our stop loss is this, then if our high price is greater than or equal to than our stop loss price, then we get stopped out. Right? So if our high... If our high price? What? High price is greater than or equal to, if our high price, as we are coming up, if our high, and our stop loss is here, if our high price is higher than this, right? So we have 1,000 down here. If the high is 1,000, then clearly it's not greater than 1010. If 1020 is our high price, then clearly that's bigger than 1010. So it has to be like this. And then this has to be low price is less than, right? Because if our take profit is here and our low price comes down to this, then it's not less than this. But if our low price comes down to here, then we did take profit. So it has to be this. Now we have to deal with this bullshit. Move stop loss to break even, stop loss to break even. Oh my god. So now I have to do this. minus. So if our average entry minus this is greater than this, okay. Stop loss price new, fee percent times average entry plus average entry divided by 1 minus fee. Oh no! I feel like I have to change this, but I don't know what it is. Solving for... Oh, no, wait. Wait, what? Wait, what? What is this? What is this? Stop loss price new is the fee percent times average entry plus average entry divided by 1 minus fee percent. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Solving for long take profit price. What even is this? Wait a minute, what the hell is this? I have solving for short take profit price is this crazy thing. Oh, it's the same thing except without the 100 thing. Same thing. So what are we trying to solve for? We're trying to solve for... I guess we're trying to solve for this. But then how did I get it to fees times average entry plus average entry divided by 1 minus fee percent? How did I get that? What even is that? Oh, I remember. I remember. It's this. Except when you put it to 0, it becomes... It's very easy. Solving for moving stop loss to break even. Okay, yes. So here, we're going to come here. And then this. Wait, what? Well, that's interesting that this is a negative and this is a positive. Okay. So, what is this? 0? So here we have 0 for the profit. S is the size, so we take out S. It's F times your average entry (1 minus fee percent). What? What? The size doesn't matter, and so it's just fees and entry. Oh, but the size has to be here. Size minus fees. So this whole section doesn't change, and it's just size minus fees. So it's fees times E plus E. Fees times E. Oh, so it's fees times E plus E. What? Fees times E plus E. So what if we did fees times E minus E? E minus, like this, divided by F minus F, divided by S minus F. Something is not right. Oh, okay, so, oh, I know what I need to do. We'll do this on paper. All right, through sheer brute force, I figure that this is the formula. Our size is not in there. It works, but I have absolutely no idea why. I don't know how to get this. I think this is what I was going through last time. Because here, why is this fees plus 1? If I do minus 1, I tried all of this. 1 plus F, 1 minus F. So I guess it doesn't really matter. The only thing that matters is the order here, which is you just switch that. So you have fee percent, fees times the average entry plus. And so now you just swap it like this, I think. Yeah, unless you had a negative sign in front of this, but... I wonder if this doesn't actually need a negative. Maybe there's a negative somewhere else that I could put. But anyways, this seems to work. I still have no idea how do you get to this point. How did I even figure that shit out? If I take out the S's, I guess maybe that's how I did it. If I take out all the S's, I'll just have F times E over F. But how does that even work? I have to get a 1 from somewhere, so I can't take out the size. How do I get a 1? I'd have to have an S. I'd have to have a... Man, this doesn't make any sense. Nowhere do I get anything that could be a 1. There's nowhere in here that you get a 1. Because here you would do, if you made this a 0, you'd have E, you'd have negative SE plus SFE over S plus SF. So here, since you're dealing with this. All right, so I figured out that the 1 represents
you have to have it set to 1 because the 1 is representing the actual size. Um, so for whatever reason, you have to have that there. I don't know why. I can't figure out the calculations. I don't know how I figured this out. I think I was dealing with the same problem. But yeah, I don't know. It works though. You just have it works because we can clearly see that it works here. So, anyways, we added that. I think the cell function here is done. We changed everything, I think, and then over here we went through and added the short entry. So we already went through the math for this. This should work. And then here we had to change this average entry minus to get the percent. And then I guess this is where we got stuck here. And then now we moved on to the trailing. So the trailing, we had to do the same thing. And then here we had to add because we're saying like if this is the, let's say if this is the high, which it more than likely is going to be, this up here, if, and then we'll do this is elif. I would say that it'd probably be next would be the what? I don't think anybody would ever really choose the open. They'd probably choose something like this. They're either going to choose the high or the close. And here, somebody's going to either choose the low or the close. Let's just do like this. So here we need the price to be above. So if we have the trailing stop loss based on, let's say that it's the high is 1,000. We want it to trail the high by 1%. So we need to be, if the high is 1,000, we would need it to be at 1,010. And then we'd say if our stop loss is at 1,100, if 1,010 is less than 1,100, which it is, then you move the stop losses, the trailing stop loss. So and then we also added this stuff, which oh, I guess we need the price here. Okay. So all of this should, in theory, work. In theory. That's a stupid fucking number. Let's see here. I don't want this taking forever. I guess first we just need to wait. Trailing stop loss true or false? It needs to be true in order to make this. That doesn't make any sense. But I guess it does. Stop loss prices in it. Stop loss percents in it. Okay. DF. I'll say Wait, what did I even say these things are? Oh my god. Order rec. Order rec. And then cart. How are my stop losses here and my take profits are up here? What? Anyways, how? What? Something is mixed up here. And it's just because I did not change this to short. Wait, what happened here? Why is it not showing that I got stopped out? I got stopped out. So... Oh no. Wait, what? Why is it not showing I got stopped out here? It is. Wait, what? Long stop loss. Oh. Anyways. Alright, it looks like the shorting works. I had to create this RSI above entries. Downloaded the data from a certain section. I just went up here just to make sure I just grabbed from here to here. And so now we run it as a short entry. And here we're just doing this. And yeah, so we see short take profit, short take profit, short stop loss. Here we have these. This is showing up. Shit. And then here, just looking at what's going on, we ended up taking profit here. We ended up taking profit here. We got stopped out here, but got right back in. Got right back in. Got stopped out here. Got right back in. Got in again here. Profit. Got stopped out. Got in again. Profit. So, looks like everything is working. Looks like everything is working. So where does that put us? Got that done. Work on number. feel like I need to just make a non-double for loop of cart array. Currently working on nothing. Because I don't know what would come next. Oh man. God. Let's start the documentation. I think it's done for now. Do I have this install vector BT? Yeah. I think this is good enough now to where this is a simulate short. It's gonna be a simulate long. Hmm. This is gonna be this. So, 40, I guess. We'll delete this. Comment this out. This is below. This is 3. Whoops. Definitely should have kept that in. All right. So here. Invalid index time invalid. Okay. So we got our longs, we got our shorts. Oh my god. I think it's now time we hit 2 o'clock and it's time to take a break. It's time to actually take a break. It is actually time to take a break, and I am hungry. I am hungry. Finished shorts. But I don't think that I upgrade the version yet. When do I upgrade the version? Is the question. I don't know. I guess I could just do it now. And then push all this stuff over to the main. Is that what I do? Oh, no, I can't. I can't until I fix the number thing. Yeah, so here, do this, make non-for loop. So that's what I have to do. Then I can change the version. All right, so as a trash can workaround, I have done this and this. Actually, I can actually undo all of this actually. Just do this here, do this. I don't need the D-type names. Whatever. Let's leave it the way it was. And so now we have this. We have this arrays. We have the Cartesian loop, and now we just set it like this. And luckily, I was able to realize that I could just use this as a variable creator. Because now doing that like 0, 1, 2, 3, like copy pasting it is no problem. But yeah, it's so weird that when I run it over here, it works perfectly fine. It works perfectly fine when I run it over here. But when I run it anywhere else, it just doesn't work. It makes no sense. But when I run it in here, it shits the bed. I do not understand. Hey, but it works. Make a non-double loop. Make a Alrighty, so we did this. Not sure when to upgrade the version. Oh yeah, I just said if I get it fixed with numba, which seems like it is working. If we why don't I have any so if we I really wish I could reload the window. It's gonna work. But for some reason this just doesn't work. So if we go all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, we should, in theory, return def. Okay. Order records. And
df card array. So then we come down here. Records. And this would be df. This would be df. So in theory, I don't know why I don't have any PyCache, but there's some. There's some PyCache. There's some number cache. Got some action going here. Got some long TPs. We got all this stuff working with numba. Clear all that. We run it again. That takes literally no seconds at all. It works. If we do, is it from the base? Log trade plots. Let's go ahead and change that. Plot trades. Plot individual trades. Plot specific trades. Plot trades all info. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll call it. Plot trades all info. Okay. And we will copy this down here. I don't know the information that I need. Open, high, low, close. Open. Let's go ahead and reload the thing, man. High prices. Prices. Order records equals order records. Whatever. Here, we need PL series. So we have prices dot open. Prices. Yeah. Okay, so in theory, if we were to run this, I already restart probably. Boom. There we go. Wow, what the fuck is this all about? Oh, because it was the low. Damn. Why are we getting data all the way up to? Oh wow. Maybe we should have cut it off at the 26th. Because we got destroyed. What if we did this? There should be an error. If you have trailing stop loss set to true, then you must provide. Okay. Yeah, stop loss percent it.
So trail by 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 2 and 3. Wow, no way. Let's do 2, 3. God damn it. We're gonna go from 2 to 6. And then here we're gonna do 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so this is what we'll do. We'll do max equity risk is going to be 3 through 5. Then risk to reward is going to be 2 through 5. 3 through 5. 3 through 5. Then we're going to do 5. Then we'll do 1 through 5, I guess. And then here, the same thing. 1 through 5. 6. Then we'll do gains percent filter of 70. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Might take a little bit of time. Okay. Kernel crashed because it was too much data. Too much data. 5. Actually, wait a minute. Let's oh shit, the kernel's dead. The kernel is dead. Dot caching. Okay, so let us run this. Cache. Okay. Let's try to run this again. We're gonna run out of memory. Oops. We ran out of memory again. So clearly I am going to have to figure out this memory thing. Because this is nothing as far as the testing goes. I think it's going to crash again. What I was trying to do is task manager. Let's see. Memory is nothing. Wait, what? I got wrecked. I got wrecked that much? $89 different possible settings. 2, 10, 11, 13. Oh, Jesus. This was even cutting off some. Okay, wow. I made 50 cents. I took 117 trades. I only have 3. So bad. There's none of them that survive? Oh my God. So bad. So bad. Wait, what? It's so bad. Oh my God, it's so bad. So bad. Okay. We had 29. Yeah. Okay. I have 4% gains, 24 trades. How did those other ones have 100 and something trades? How does this thing even calculate trades? Well, I would use my thing, but it works. How do we make total trades? Win-loss size. How is it those other ones have more trades? How is it that this creates more trades? It doesn't make any sense. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I put it at 30. All right, so let's do. Okay, we got a little bit more trades. We got a little bit more. A little bit more. Hmm? Why do we take profit here? Wait, why are we taking profit here? Why are we taking profit lower than lower? There's 112217. 112217. So this one says 112217. Okay, so it just looks slightly off. Damn, I mean we taking profit though, yeah. Stopped out, but take profit. Okay, let's put that gains filter up here. Put that gains here. What's up with it? My gains at mm-hmm. Day. Oh wait, what? Oh, I have to remember that it's super, super, super. I just picked it. Wow. Oh, but this is what I'm using, like 5 to 1 or whatever it is. On it. Here. Damn. How do you sort? Yeah. Yeah. Order. Sort. Values. Column. By. You sorted. Uh. Sort values, pandas, sort values, buy, they do have a buy. Wow, okay, buy equals to the upside. Then we're gonna say ascending. Bam! So this one, I guess, did the best. 0.63. Actually, this one did. But we out here, you know what I'm saying? 5 to 1 max equity, 4 to 1 risk reward. 4% stop loss, 4 to 1 risk reward. God damn. That's 16%. It's my win rate. 33. Anyways, let's go ahead and hit that right there. Let's hit this right here. Here. Okay, well, for now it works. So I guess I upgrade the version as well here. Right? What? Upgrade the version? Can't think of anything else. Oh, I gotta do the release notes. Oh, wait a minute. I guess this. I'm turning a. Well, I'm not returning a tuple. I am returning indie arrays. Array. One dimensional. Array 1D. I'm returning 3 of those. This array, this array, this array. I don't need this order counter. Can I do that? Can I do this? I feel like this thing is gonna yell at me. The thing's gonna yell at me. Yell at me. Let's see. Is it gonna yell? Nope, it didn't. Mm-hmm. Let's see. All right. Let's see here. 10. Let's collapse that. Let's go ahead and hit this right here. See what it goes. Let's call this df array. Call it one right here. This one right here. And then this right here, you know what I'm saying? We gotta, gotta hit that right here. And yeah, we gotta hit this right here. We don't even need this right here. You know what I'm saying? Get this right here. like that. You're hit it with this right here. Yeah, what's good with it? You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? What's good with it? You know. At the very end of this, we're gonna put that here, cash here, here. Hit them with it. All right, then. Maybe I have that at the very end all the time. Clear that every single time. But then by the time we get to the end, we clear it. Then we get rid of it. Boom, and it's working for the shouts. Yeah. All right. So crazy that this works here. It doesn't work. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Uh, let's see what happens here, cuz. Got them trailing stop losses here. God damn. Let's do at least 20. Shit. Hmm? Let's do at least 20. Jesus Christ. 26. All right, well, we got to do 30 at least now then. I should probably get some order of gains percent so that way I can actually see what the fuck. Did it really go that fast? So we'll do 40. Super fast. Oh my god, trailing stop loss is terrible.
Wait, how did it enter 4 times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Why did it enter here? Oh, maybe that's because the price was going down, so it makes sense. Bam, bam, bam. All right. Well, that's it for today.